I'm Anne-Marie Ramos.
And I'm Ron Doan. And this is my best helper out here. She's teaching me how to do this. I'm going to put this down here.
But that's a J. That's a J.
What do you mean?
Like it won't grow.
It won't grow?
Because it's in a J form.
It's in a what?
J form. You don't want to have a J root. You want to have a straight root so it doesn't grow wrong. It grows wrong when you have a J root.
Curved, yeah.
All of this burnt stuff.
It's not good, is it?
It's not good for the environment, and for all the animals that were living here, I feel really bad because they lost their homes. Trees are very important for the environment because it releases air. And if you didn't know this, a baby tree can produce air for about 2 people.
That's very
Ron, what did you learn today? What's your
I
experience?
learned that it's tough to keep up with these kids. They kind of move all over the place real quick. I started out with a group of about 6 and I wound up with 1.5. I think the kids understand that when something like this happens to our landscape, we need to get in as quick as we can, remove all of the burnt lumber, all the burnt timber, get back in here and plant trees, right? It's very important. Is it lunchtime?
Yes, it is lunchtime. I'm very hungry.
Okay.
And I brought candy.